Okie dokie, so this is going to require a pencil, pair of scissors, some construction paper, and the glass beads that the teacher will give you. You're first going to go and pick out a couple of magazines and just flip through them and look for interesting pictures, and you're going to hover the glass bead over these different patterns and pictures and colors and stuff like that, and just see what looks interesting underneath it. But be sure and look through a lot of different pictures and turn a lot of pages to find interesting things, because there's going to be something really cool that will look good underneath the glass bead. So once you've found your picture, you're going to put it on top, put the glass bead on top, and then take your pencil and trace around the glass bead. Then take your scissors and cut out that circle that you traced around. Then you're going to take your glass bead and that cutout over to the station where I have set up the fingernail polish. And you're going to take the fingernail polish and put a thin layer of polish on the flat side of the glass bead. Then you're going to take your little cutout picture and make sure that the picture that you want to be seen goes onto the fingernail polish. And that's going to glue it down. Then you're just going to set it there and let it dry. While this piece is drying, you can be looking for other pictures, because we're going to make 3 of these glass beads. So now you're going to take the little piece of construction paper and put your glass bead on top of that, and take your pencil and trace around it. Once you've traced the circle around the glass bead, then you're going to take the scissors and cut this piece out. You're going to get a wire from the teacher, and then take your circle cutout and your glass bead with your picture on it over to the station where you put the fingernail polish on it. And now there's going to be some glue there for you to put on the back of your picture. Again, on the flat side of the glass bead on the back of your picture that you cut out. Now, if you've got a picture on there that needs to be right side up, you're going to have to be careful about how you put your wire on there, because you don't want this to hang upside. You don't want your picture to hang upside down. So put the glue on there, take the little wire that the teacher gives you, and then carefully place it on the back, and then take your construction paper and press it on to the back, making sure that wire stays on there. And just press it on there, making sure that glue doesn't get on the front. And the end result should be a little pendant. After you've pressed it all together, just set it aside and let it dry.